What's up guys? In this video, I'll show you how to fix Google AI mode not showing in the Google app. First, open the Google Play Store and reach for the Google app. If an update is available, tap Update and wait for it to finish. Next, scroll down on the app page and if available, join the Google Beta program. Keep in mind that the beta option may not be available in every region. After that, open the Google app and check if the lab's icon or AI features are available. If you see an option for AI features, make sure it's enabled. If AI mode is still missing, it's likely because the feature hasn't rolled out to your account or region yet. In that case, you will simply need to wait until Google makes it available. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.